Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. As you can see with the key fob here, I can operate all the sliding doors in the trunk hatch with the key fob. They're all power. This is a rear entry, manual ramp, very easy to operate. I can do the entire conversion with just 2 fingers. This is a brand new conversion, 3-year, unlimited mile warranty. Has a handle on the driver's side or passenger side. This is spring assisted. Look here. I'm going to take it to the ground using only my index finger. Very easy to do, 34-inch wide ramp. It does taper down to 32 there at the base where the ramp sets. This is a couple inches wider than the side entry, so that makes a big difference. You can get bigger chairs in these. 8 tie-down points, so you can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner's in great shape. You can see the rear air controls up there. Between these 2 front seats, there's about 21 inches of room. There's jump seats we can put in to make them more narrow. There's flip seats we can put in it. Tell us what you need. Tell us what measurements you need. Let us build this van. Let us make it custom to exactly what you need. The dash is in excellent condition. Controls on the steering wheel so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera. Dual climate control. Real fancy center console in there with tons of cup holders and plug-ins for all your electronics. Cup holders here in the rear as well. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie-downs away with each van. So when you get the van get everyone all secure, come back, put the ramp back up. You can operate this ramp with all the doors inside. You can see the power doors will shut right there. Also, if you're going to use this van, say you want to use this van for taxi service, you don't want those power doors operating all the time. What you can do is come in here. You can also operate all the power doors here. You can hit off, okay? And what we'll do now, these are all manual sliding doors, so you have the option for power or manual. The exterior of this van is extremely clean. I love this color. It's very rare. Got the alloy wheels. You know, the tires have 19,000 miles on them, just like the van, so they're fairly good shape. They're not brand new, but they've got some good tread left on them. This is again the SXT trim, as you can see there. Slide this one shut. Let me show you these middle row of seats. I'm sorry about that. Got the cloth center cut where the bottom sits. You got the leather exterior, leather armrests. Extremely clean van. I only buy vans that are super clean. Hard to find a dent or scratch in this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I'm saying it's not far from it. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. Another great feature, whether it be winter or summer, got the auto start. And that's nice. You can get the van nice and warmed up. See, it fires up right there. Very nice feature to have. Get it defrosted, get it nice and warm, even if you have it in your garage. It's still nice to come out to a nice warm van. There's the VIN number of the vehicle. We always show the VIN number in our videos. It's got a power driver's seat, works great. We've got 3 mechanics. They've tested over everything in this van, the power windows, power locks. Alright, I had the van running, didn't have the key in it. Got to have the key in, turn on to get all these power. I learned something new today, but all the power windows, power mirrors. This van meets the factory specs to be under the full 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from Dodge. Also comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain from warranty from Dodge as well. Like I said, dual climate control, rear air controls. When we turn the van on, as you can see, there's no dummy lights. Got a full tank of gas. Current mile is 19,246. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6. We checked the fenders, we checked them for any signs of damage, we checked the radiator support. We looked over these vans very thorough before we buy. We're looking for any signs of accidents, we're looking for any signs of leaks, we're looking for any signs of being underwater. This van is very clean. As you can see underneath, not all frames, not all bent up. This is not something we pulled out of an accident or out of a flood. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I don't want something that's going to be troublesome. I want something we can get out, we can sell, we can be proud of, we can have repeat customers, and we can keep our good reputation. You'll notice our competition, they don't generally show the undercarriage of the vehicle. The reason is they buy a lot of rust buckets from up north. You know, New York and Chicago and up northeast. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying vehicles. They assume things. They assume because the pictures look nice. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume that they think they're getting a good deal. Nothing could be farther from the truth. Demand a detailed video like this. If someone's going to ask you to pay $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 or more Tell them to get off their behind. Tell them to get out and make a detailed video, so you don't have to assume that the van's clean. You know the van's clean. You know it runs and drives good. You know all the windows work. You know about the conversion. In a day and age where people buy on the internet, people get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video. Let's get the van on the highway so you can see it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive so you know. You don't have to assume that this vehicle runs and drives excellent, like new. You can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, made sure the van runs and drives great. Gets up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. The steering wheel is nice and straight. That's exactly what we want. I've got the cruise control set. And I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Look us up on Google. See all the nice things people had to say about us. The hundreds of people that just raved over how we treated them right. And that's what sells our vans. Our price, our reputation in these videos. We're trying to be very transparent about who we are and about what we're selling. We don't have any hidden fees. Like a lot of these dealers have a great price online, then they have a $500 document fee or $1,000 in fees they don't tell you about. My question to you is, if someone's hiding money from you, if they're not telling you about all the money, what else are they hiding from you? Question you need to ask yourself. Certainly, we don't have any hidden fees. Everything we do, the vehicle, our business, how we do it, it's all up front. Not like most used car dealers, I can promise you that. What I'm going to do is take the exit here, hard brake at the bottom of the exit. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. So this van is not quite brand new, but it's not far from it. It's excellent condition inside and out. I don't know if I mentioned this. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke and odors from a mile away. No odors in here. And again, we're making these videos because we want you to know exactly what you're getting. The competition doesn't do this. And I'm the owner of the company. I'm out here laying on the ground because I don't want there to be any surprises. Which brings me to my next point. And if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. Those used car salesmen, they'll probably be working somewhere else in a couple months. They really don't care if you get the truth. They really don't care if you get a good deal. They really don't even care if you ever come back. They just want that commission check. Me, I'm the owner. I care if you come back. I care if you get a good deal. I care what you say about our company. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. If you want to do business with the owner, give me a call. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. 316-518-4377 is my cell phone. You're welcome to call or text me anytime. If you want to call our office, which forwards to my cell phone, 316-262-8267 or 316-262-VANS. If you're ever going to come in and see one of our vans, please always make an appointment. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Sometimes I'm out doing things like this. I'm running all over the place trying to keep this business running efficiently. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can take one over the phone. We can send it over to your email. Just let us know what we can do to help you. As always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.